Hello and welcome! I just got back from South America, where I've completed a 2 weeks workshop. I was contacted by a family there who had some problems with their layout, both electrical and mechanical problems, but they also wanted inspiration to take their layout to the next level. This inquiry really caught my attention for several reasons. Chile has a kind of unique nature which hosts both unique species of trees, bushes, and also animals. And the construction they made so far on their model railroad was also something special. John, the husband, had constructed a spot welding machine, so in order to be able to assemble all of the tiny pieces and details on this Santiago main station building. They also respected that this is my work and offered a reasonable finance both for the trip there, it's across the world to Chile from Sweden, and also for the 2 weeks I spent with them. I recorded a video showing available materials and techniques we could work with during the 2 weeks, and they picked out a few of these. I had to book an extra suitcase, so I actually brought with me 23 kilos of modeling materials to Chile, which is like a half a hobby shop. And they kept most of it because the availability of materials is not so good in Chile.
They also took me on a train ride to look at trackside details as well as old rolling stock. The mountains in the background and the scenery was just amazing. My visit to Chile happened just at the time for their National Day, and thereby I got the opportunity to experience Chilean food and traditional dancing.
We solved the problems they had on their layout. Some required more time, and they would continue on those after I left. And we also covered the modeling techniques they wanted me to help them with. One of them was to construct. They have a few trees which are unique for Chile, and I just the other day got a bunch of photos from Clementina, the housewife. They started on a new batch of these trees. I also helped them to install Rockrail on their layout, which is a train control software which allows you to run automatic trains and set up scheduling. It gives more life to the layout, especially a layout as large as there are. So that was a really good thing. And this is a photo when we just run the first automatic train. Finally, I helped them to plan the remaining part of the layout. See, they have built the main station part with all the track work, the yards and everything, and then the thought was that the layout continues and being south of Chile, which is a fantastic nature area. But besides of the nature, you also need a track work, which makes the model railroad fun to operate. And the track work needs planning of both how it should interact with the software and how it should be divided in blocks and shadow stations, etc. So we brought all of those things together and made a rough outline for how that part should look like too. So if you feel that you're stuck with your project or it hasn't been moving for a while, drop me a note and maybe we can spend 1 or 2 weeks together at your place, building on your model railroad and taking it to the next level. My intention now is to do private workshops like 2 or 3 times per year. So if you think that this is something that would be great fun, just contact me and maybe we'll see each other next time at your place.